Monument automatically backs up my photos over Wi-Fi as soon as I step into my home, analyzing and organizing them not just by date and location, but also by camera. What's in the photo? And facial recognition. The best part is, I don't have to pay monthly fees for cloud services or worry about my privacy, giving me more time to make new memories.
We rely on Wi-Fi for a lot. Avoiding homework, foraging for food, shopping for a Zolt. And when it doesn't work, we feel it. So we created Starry Station, the touchscreen Wi-Fi station. It gives you perfect Wi-Fi at a glance, tap or swipe. Now you can see what devices are online, manage your kids' screen time, get your Wi-Fi name and password, find out if your internet speed matches what you paid for, fully understand the health of your internet, and fix any issues that arise, all on a touchscreen. So say hello to visible, touchable, faster than fast Wi-Fi voice. Starry. The internet.
Introducing the GateKeeper chain. The GateKeeper is a Bluetooth 4.0 powered key fob that automatically logs you off your PC when taken out of proximity of your computer. When you walk back to your computer, the GateKeeper logs you in automatically. The GateKeeper saves you valuable time and protects your data. Managers and CIOs love the affordable and easy-to-use GateKeeper. The GateKeeper is a valuable tool for IT managers. Now they can be assured that company employees keep work private. There are all kinds of fun and interesting applications for GateKeeper. The GateKeeper chain is ideal for doctors and nurses to help protect patient privacy. It's perfect for law enforcement and private security. At the office, keep snooping coworkers at bay from accessing your computer. More than 40% of companies have had a data breach in the past year. Get the GateKeeper for your organization now and protect your privacy. Visit www.gkchain.com today.
special case. I'm not
Keys. Where are my keys?
There's a reason
Ah,
I'm still alone. If you want to stick around, you need to ask yourself, are you an apartment? Can you take me out of everything you need? Special baby, is your heart strong enough to handle
oops. Hey there. Hi. Lost your phone again?
Not afraid of the dark. I'm not afraid of the dirt. Not afraid
See ya.
to drink liquor and not prefer mine on the rocks. I'm not afraid to be a fool.
Buddy?
Not afraid
Buddy?
to scare you off. And I will do everything I need until it's not
Hey, you lost? Hey, I found your lost dog. Meet me by the stage.
There you are.
Hey guys, when it comes to your things, good enough isn't enough. Be it performance, distance, battery life, or the trials of day-to-day use. We've devoted endless time in all these details, guaranteeing that no obstacle will get in your way.
With its unique design, Lapa fits every lifestyle, every situation. Get your Lapa now and live your life worry-free.